What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Hinton food review. Today we are trying Jimmy John's new. It's called firecracker wrap. It has.
No, you're not
Eat
getting
that,
that.
y'all.
Wow.
Because you need to eat the food.
It's got jalapenos, Jimmy John's fire chip, ghost pepper cheese. What kind of wrap is it?
Firecracker wrap.
It's got firecracker wrap, like. There, it's ready. It's got turkey,
Ham.
ham,
And some more, I forgot.
lettuce, and it's got some kind of sauce on it too, like jalapeno sauce,
Jalapeno on it.
jalapeno ranch sauce. It smells hot. So let's try it.
It's actually not bad.
Not too hot. Not too bad. It's
It does come in a meal.
yeah. It comes just for the wrap alone was $10. You can get a meal that comes with the sandwich, the firecracker, Jimmy chips, the confetti cookie,
And a drink.
and a drink for $14.
15.
Altogether with taxes, there come up like $16. Like, so it's a pretty good sized wrap. They give you a pretty good amount of turkey and ham. I guess a jalapeno like paste or something. There's a little bread in there. But they give you the right amount of stuff. I like that it's not overpowering with the heat, but it's got a little slight kick.
So, I lied to you. I added the ranch and the jalapenos.
Oh. So it did actually come with the ranch or the jalapenos. Boots added it to it.
Try to make it more spicy, but it didn't work. I added it some more. Also comes with onions.
Oh yeah, it comes with onions too. And tomatoes, but I don't like tomatoes. So my review on this is for the amount of ingredients they give you, I'm gonna give it a 10.
Well, it's actually really good.
The flavor, for the heatness, I'm gonna give it a 9 because it's not, like I said, you got a nice little tingle.
It's ghost pepper cheese.
Yeah, but it don't burn you up. The flavor and everything, it's really good. It's a really good wrap, y'all. So I'm gonna give it a 10 for real. Overall, Luke even said 10. We got 2 more things to try.
Might be my least favorite. Oh.
We got Lay's salsa fiesta or fresca, and we got Lay's sweet and spicy honey. These are $2.69 a bag. Like I said, it's like you get that much in a bag. But this is the sweet and spicy honey. These are same way. Alright, this is the salsa fresca. So I guess this is supposed to have like tomato and basil flavor with, I don't know what kind of pepper that is. I don't know what kind of pepper that is. I guess it's a red chili pepper. Actually, for the front, this is supposed to have tomato flavor and jalapeno. What? Okay. Tomato, lime, jalapeno. It's not bad. It's not bad chip. I'm getting no heat off of it. Kind of taste the tomatoes, you can taste the lime on that. So that I'm gonna give it a 5.
What? It's
Sweet honey, spicy honey, honey flavor and chili pepper, I guess. You take the honey for sure. You gotta eat a little tingle. So that one I'm gonna give it. I'll give it 6. But if y'all want some more content, and you don't, or you want something, got something you want me to try out. Oh, we're gonna try a fiery chip. It's a firecracker chip. Look at that. This is the Jimmy John firecracker chip. It's like a lace.
It says hot, but
Tastes like a Lay's or a kettle chip.
I need to deep fry.
They're not bad. With that, y'all
Grace, you got yours.
have any content you want me to try? Leave it down in the comments. That being said, thank y'all for watching and supporting. And as always,
All right,
peace.
Grace.